Thinking about whether to save a tooth or get it removed? Today, we're diving into the facts about root canals versus extractions to make this choice easy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. When it comes to saving your natural tooth, root canals are the top pick. Do you want to know why? Now let's take a look at the pros and cons, which will help you decide the best choice. Root canal pros. Keep your natural tooth and maintain the strength of your jaw and bite stability. Though it may seem costly up front, root canals save you from the potential costs of replacements or future complications. Your other teeth stay in place without risk of movement. Root canal also protects your jawbone, preventing bone loss over time. Let's see the cons of root canal. Root canals may cost more initially than an extraction, and they can take a bit more time due to the procedure and aftercare. You get it? Let's go to the extraction part. Conversely, extractions may seem like a quick fix if you're in pain or want an affordable option now. Let's get into the pros and cons of it. Extraction pros. If a tooth is severely damaged or painful, removing it offers fast relief. And extractions are usually cheaper upfront than root canals. Extraction cons often lead to additional procedures such as implants, bridges, or dentures, which add up. Then adjacent teeth may shift, and the jawbone where the tooth was removed may weaken. And also, missing teeth can change your bite alignment, leading to chewing difficulties or even jaw discomfort. Choosing a root canal can mean a solid long-term solution, but if an extraction is unavoidable, make sure you know about tooth replacement options like implants or bridges. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Talk to a dentist you trust. And remember, whichever path you take, you're making the right decision for yourself. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.